So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for coming here. And my name is Echo from DH Robotics. So firstly, I would like to say thank you to TechShare team for organizing such a good activity and give us a chance to be here to share our products and our experience on, empower smart manufacturing. This is actually our topic, my topic for the speech today. So let's get started from a simple introduction about DH Robotics. So we are a company from China, and we are based in Shenzhen. So established in 2016, and until now we have more than 200 staff, and more than 70% are R&D engineers. So until now, I have to mention that DH Robotics is the #1 supplier on electric grippers in Chinese market already. So in the Chinese market, more than 70% of the market share for the electric grippers for cobots is from DH Robotics. So we have sold more than 80,000 pieces grippers globally to over 30 countries already. So here, as you can see, is our support system. So DH Robotics, we have a very strong R&D system with design engineers, hardware engineers, and software engineers, as well as mechanical engineers. So we also have a sales network over 30 countries. And in addition, we have our own manufacturing to assembling the products. Here is, as you can see, is our factory for your reference. So currently, our factory around 3,000 square meters, but in the next month, soon we will move it to a new factory with more than 7,000 square meters. Also, the ISO certificates for our factory also is ready. And here, as you can see, some certificates for our products. As I mentioned, we have exported our products to here also in Japan, we have experience for this market for more than 2 years. But we also sold our products to US, to European countries. So with the certificates like CE, FCC, and RoHS, also we have some design patents as well as our own technical patents on our products. So here, as you can see, is some of our customers who are using our products in their factory. So as you can see, the Samsung from Korea and Toyota is the Chinese Toyota factory. Also, they have some cases on using our products. Also, Foxconn and BYD actually is two biggest customers in our company. Our products is applied in their production line. So also like Bosch from Germany and Huawei, those kind of factories, they already have application cases with our products. So then I would like to introduce what we are doing right now. So here, as you can see, is some products we can supply right now. So the first production line is about electric grippers. So we have a PGC and AG series. Those kind of electric grippers are widely applied with cobots. Especially for DOBOT cobots, we support plug and play for DOBOT cobots, as well as for some other cobot brands. We can also support plug and play. So except those kind of gripper, we also have some special grippers like rotary grippers, and some PG grippers are usually applied in the FA market to replace the pneumatic grippers. So also we have electric cylinders and the linear actuators as well. And right now we are also developing some new products like the drivers. So we are developing our own drivers And also we are developing some integrated solution based on our cylinders and actuators and grippers. Yeah. Okay, next I would like to share some videos about our products for your reference. So this video is about our rotary grippers. I have to say this is a very special product with very good advantages when compared with pneumatic grippers. So firstly, as you can see, our grippers, we can adjust the parameters like the force, like the speed, also the rotary speed, and also the torque. So it's very flexible. And then we also designed all the components, like the controller, all the components inside the grippers, and try to design it very small, so it can help our customer to save a lot of space for the machine. Yeah. And these rotary grippers, we are, in last year, we sold more than 8,000 pieces in China, mainly for the medical automation equipment to do some capping and decapping on the test tubers. So this is one of very popular application cases for this rotary gripper. Yeah. And the next one is about our linear actuators. So these linear actuators, I have to say, has a very good precision advantage. So in China, we have applied a lot of linear actuator for customers like Foxconn and BYD. So Foxconn, as you know, they produce a lot of Apple products. So actually, they use a lot of our actuators in the production line to assembling the Apple phones. So like the Apple 14 and Apple 15, yeah, in their production line with this. So usually also for semiconductor industry, yeah, we have a lot of cases to pick and place some chips and do the assembling. Yeah, so right now we already have a lot of cases for Foxconn, for Huawei, and for BYD. So most customers, they are very famous in electronic industry. Yeah. Also for some factory like produce the lens cameras, they may also can have a opportunity to use these actuators. Yeah. So as you can see, this is a very popular application. Like this, pick the chips and do the assembling. Nextly, will be a video about our cylinders. So I think cylinders is already very popular on the market, but the cylinders we develop is kinds of like high-end cylinders with a very good precision technology. Yeah. Also, those cylinders, the parameters like the speed, like the stroke, can be adjustable. Yeah, so it can be very flexible for customer to use. Yeah. So in conclusion, I would like to summarize the features of our products. Yeah, as you can see, our company, we are mainly focused on electric solutions, and those products. The first advantage is very smart because we use the direct drive force feedback technology. So with this, our products, we can have some feedback on the data like the force, yeah, like the speed and the stroke. Yeah, so it can make the production line more smart. Yeah. And the second advantage is, we call precision. Yeah, all the products we have a very precision force control and very accuracy position features. Yeah, so with this we can protect the components. Yeah, especially when compared with the pneumatic solution we can help a customer to decrease the production defective rates in the production line. And the third advantage is we call flexible, is because we try to integrate all the components in the grippers or cylinders. And so we can install the grippers directly with the cobots or with the PLC. It's very simple for customer to finish the deployment of the production line. Yeah. Also, we try to design the products very small so we can help customer to save the space of the machines. Yeah. And here, then I would like to share some real case about how our products to help customer in their production line. Yeah, this is a market trend that even in China, we can feel that more and more customer, they tend to use electric grippers to replace pneumatic solutions. Yeah, because customer want their production line to be smart and to be digitalization and also to be flexible. Yeah, but as we know, the pneumatic grippers is not easy to reach that. Yeah, here is a simple comparison between the pneumatic grippers and electric grippers. So as you can see, the pneumatic grippers, they have a lot of components. So this will cause that our users is very difficult, to assembling all the components in a very short time. But our electric grippers, we only have one gripper and the cable and everything. It's very easy for them to install it. So if we only compare the gripper cost, the electric gripper right now is much more expensive. But if we consider the whole cost, including the maintenance cost and the installation cost, we do have experience that the electric solution can help a customer to save a lot, around 30% of the cost for customer. Yeah. And here is the values that our electric solutions bring to customers. So as you can see, we, according to our experience, our products can help customer to decrease around 80% energy. Yeah. And also to decrease around 50% defective rate in their production line. Okay, and the third is we can deduce around 30% cost for customer, and also the noisy will be much smaller than the pneumatic. Yeah, and for in addition, we can improve the lifetimes of the products. Of the production line for customer, because our electric grippers is around 5 to 10 times lifetime than when compared with the pneumatic. Okay, and we can also help customer improve around 15% product efficiency, as well as improve the man-machine ratio, because very few components, so we only need a few engineers to maintain the production line. Yeah. And here is some real case that our customer use our electric grippers to replace their pneumatic solutions. In the left, you can see is customer's older solution. So this customer is a medical customers, and they use pneumatic, and then they upgrade their machines with our electric rotary grippers. Let's see what we bring for customers. The first one is the size, because this case, the customer, their case is about a medical machine. So our solution, we can save more than 50% space for the customer. That means in one machine, customer, they can use more grippers at the same time to enhance the efficiency. Okay. And the second one is the cost. So when we considering the whole cost, I mean, all the cost, including maintenance cost and deployment cost, we can help customer to save around 30% cost for this machine. Okay. And the third one is the durability. So as we know, the lifetime of the pneumatic solution is around 1 million times. But our electric gripper, we can reach more than 30 million times without any maintenance. Yeah, so we can enhance a lot of lifetime. And the last one, but very important one, is the function. Yeah, so our grippers, we have feedback like grip and drop feedback. So when the workpieces is dropped, we can get the data. Yeah, and we can track it. And also we can adjust the parameters. That means, like in this case, if customer, they use different size of test tubers, okay, so they just need one gripper to finish this task, because we can adjust different stroke to meet a different size. But for pneumatic grippers, in this case, we need to change a new gripper. Yeah, so this actually for customer, I believe, is an additional cost. Here is some other videos for your reference. Is from the medical customers case study. Yeah, the first one actually is a case from Korea. That's our customer. They use 10 pieces of our rotary grippers in one machine to do the pick and place and rotate the test tubers. Yeah. So this case actually in China, we have a lot of similar case like this. And the second case is our rotary gripper. We working with the DOBOT robots. Yeah. So the robots, we are pick the test tuber, and then our rotary grippers, we are do the capping and decapping on the test tubers. Yeah. Okay, and the second case I would like to share is from the electronic industry. Also, this is a real case that's from one of the big customer in China, BYD. Yeah, they produce a lot of e-cigarettes actually. So in the left also they use a pneumatic solution, and then they update the production line with our electric grippers. So the first advantage we bring to customer in this case is, we help customers save more than 70% of the size of the space. Okay. And also the cost, we save more than 40% of the cost for customer. Yeah. And because, the case is using to pick some very small components in the e-cigarettes. So these components is very fragile and easy broken. So our grippers, we can protect the components and to help customer decrease the defective rate. Yeah, with the precise force control. Yeah, and also this case, honestly, the BYD, they buy more than 7,000 pieces of our electric grippers only for the production line to produce e-cigarettes. So why they apply such a big quantity in their production line? Yeah, another reason is because the customer, they have a very urgent time to finish the whole production line. They must finish the production line in 3 months. I believe if they use pneumatic grippers, it's very difficult for them to finish the whole production line. Yeah, but with our electric grippers, they have finished that. Yeah, so we help our customer to decrease the time for deploying the whole production. Yeah, so here is some other cases that's from electronic customers for your reference. The first one is also a famous case that, this customer, they producing the Apple Watch for Apple, and they using our electric gripper to pick and place the glasses of the Apple Watch. Yeah. As we know, Apple, they request all of their suppliers try to upgrade their production line with electric solution. The most important is, they considering is the electric solution can reduce the defective rate. As you know, the glasses also is very easy broken, and with our electric grippers, it can protect the glasses. Okay, and the second case is from actually is the case we're doing for Samsung, and they use our electric grippers to pick the camera lens in the phones. Yeah, also is a very small components. Yeah. And the third case is that, the customer, Huawei, that they use our actuator in their production line to pick and place some chips and do the assembling. Yeah. So this is some cases that's from electronic industry. And next, I would like to share some cases from battery and automotive industry. Yeah, this case, as you can see, is the DH products was applied in a battery factory. So before, customer also use pneumatic to pick the battery cells. Yeah, but as you know, the factory usually they will produce different size of battery. Yeah, but with the pneumatic, it means they need to change the gripper every time when they produce different size. So then they upgrade the production line with our electric grippers. Yeah, the PGHL. So it can pick like a 10 kilogram, 15 kilogram, no problem. But the most important is if customer produce different size of battery, they no need to change a new gripper. Okay, so one gripper, we can be available for many work pieces. Yeah. And here is some cases that's from automotive customer. So the first one is actually the case from Toyota in China, and they use our electric gripper to pick some small parts in their production line. Yeah. And the second one is from the Berkshire, Germany. Yeah, the customer use our electric gripper with the Stobbier industrial robots and do the pick and place. And the third application case is our cylinders was applied in the production line to assembling the batteries. Yeah. And except that, actually, our products, we are also applied in some other industries like, making coffee with DOBOT. Yeah, this is also a very popular cases in these years. So with the robots, we can do an automate machine to serve the coffee. Also, we have some case like to making the ice cream and making the fried chicken. Yeah, our gripper, we have some cases like that. So except that, our grippers also is widely applied in machine tending industry, do the pick and place for in the machine tending. Yeah, with collaborative robots and AGV together usually. Yeah. Also, recently we have a new case with the DOBOT is from agriculture industry that customer use our gripper to pick the strawberry. Yeah. So as you can see, there is a camera to detect the strawberry and use our electric gripper to pick that. So here is in conclusion, our products we can be applied in such industries. So until now, our biggest customers are are from, electronic industry and semiconductor industry, as well as the medical industry. Yeah, of course, for automotive, machining, automation, and batteries, yeah, we do have a lot of opportunities to use our grippers to replace some pneumatic solutions. Yeah, and we are also on the way to seeking other opportunities from other industries. Yeah. So lastly, I would like to mention again what a DH company we are. So we are aimed at to be a world-leading manufacturer of smart modular kits. So if you have any questions and you want to learn more about DH Robotics, you can check online about our website or contact our partner here, TechShare, for further information. We also have a booth in the first floor, and you can come to check more about our products. Okay, thank you.